Today we present to you the new ECONO Pantera 160 electric bike, a robust and versatile e-bike for demanding adventures, delivering top performance and reliability for riders with high expectations. The ECONO Pantera 160 is equipped with a powerful central motor, the Bafang M510, offering 95 Nm of torque. Fox Racing shocks 160mm of travel. Built to handle mountain trails, and Fox rear shocks absorb shocks and vibrations to maintain optimal traction and ensure a smooth ride on rough terrain. TRP hydraulic brakes provide reliable and efficient stopping power, while the Shimano 11-speed drivetrain enables smooth shifting to adapt to any terrain. A perfect choice for riders seeking an e-bike that combines rugged performance with practical features. Whether tackling mountain trails or exploring new adventures, it delivers the power, durability, and versatility you need. With 29-inch rims and wide tyres, the bike is ready for the daily challenges. You can also choose between 3 sizes: medium, large, and extra large. For long and reliable rides, the ECONO battery is available in 3 capacities: 520, 700, and 800 watt-hour. All batteries are interchangeable. For more information about the model, visit our website at econo.eu, stop by our store, or contact our extensive network of partners.